guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I am so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Urban Decay Reloaded eyeshadow palette. I'll let you know if it's worth it or not by the end of this video. I already have it on my eyes and I will show you guys how it applies. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look and what I think about this palette, then just keep on watching. Well, before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that I am sick right now, so my voice might sound a bit weird. Okay, anyways, let's start. So first, I'm going to show you the swatches. I'm going to do that on my arm so you guys can see how pigmented they are and if they swatch good or not. There's a total of 12 shades in here and 4 of them are matte, the rest are shimmers, and to me they swatched really good, but we will see how they apply on the eyes. Okay, so my eyelids are already primed with concealer as always, and I set that with a translucent powder. Now I'm going to go into this eyeshadow right here called Retro, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush to apply this all over my crease and blend it up towards my eyebrow just a little bit. With the same brush, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this LA Girl concealer with the Real Techniques detailer brush and apply this on my eyelid so the eyeshadow can grab onto my lid, and I'm going to blend it out towards the crease. Then I'm going to grab this Reputation eyeshadow with this flat brush from Pixi, and I'm going to spray it with the Too Faced Hangover setting spray because I did try applying it once without the setting spray, but it didn't really grab a lot of the eyeshadow. So doing this helps so that the shimmery eyeshadow that's on the brush can go on my eyelid. And it does look really gorgeous, so if you're going to use it, make sure you wet the brush. Next, I'm going to grab the shade Burn with this other brush from Pixi, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid just to deepen up that part of my eyelid. And this one does not need to be sprayed with setting spray because it does have a lot of pigmentation and it applies very nice. Then I'm going to grab this Angel Fire shimmery eyeshadow with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Small Precision brush and apply that on the inner corner of my eyes. This one's also very pigmented, very pretty. You do not need to spray with setting spray. Then I'm going to grab this Pixi Eye Bright liner and put it on my waterline just to open up my eyes a little bit. Putting a white or a beige eyeliner looks really nice for a summery, spring, very cute daytime look. And the eyelashes that I'm going to wear are from iikonn, and I don't remember the name of this style, but I will put the website in the description box below in case you guys are interested, and I do have a discount code if you want to purchase them with a 30% off discount. I'm going to apply the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara on my lower lashes just a little bit. With this one, I just have to barely touch my eyelashes to get some of the product on it, and it separates them really nice. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think of this whole look. Is it something you would wear during spring or summer to go out, or I don't know, anything? I really liked it. It's not that hard to recreate, and this palette is gorgeous. First of all, I love the packaging and the shades, the formula. It's really good actually. This one, all the shades that I used I really love, and this one is the only one, the one I applied on my eyelid. That wasn't that pigmented. When I applied, I didn't get much on my eyelid, even though I had the concealer on my eyelid, but once sprayed with setting spray, I did get, I mean, it's really pretty, so I don't know if that would bother you guys, but yeah, I say it is worth it, definitely worth it. I think it's $45 around there, but yeah, if you love these shades and were wondering if it's worth it, I say definitely yes. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you buy this, or I don't know, did you like this look? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!